So you just got them. Follow. Okay, so these fridge lifters don't know that we're here.
Fridge lifters. Fridge lifters.
Please stop.
Crikey. Fridge lifters are getting tired.
Okay. We're closing in on Shitty and Tonto. They're moving a freezer. Let's try and sneak out. They see me.
Crikey! This one's so skinny! He's malnourished!
This Tonto has his jaw wide shut. He can't eat. He's on a liquid diet.
Malnourishment!
All he can do is sit on the computer and play video games. What a life. What a life. Look at this one try and move the freezer.
Ew, you smell like a football team.
I was gonna tackle him and then I realized he smelled like a football team. Shut that off now.